welcome back to A to Z Vegetables. Today we're on C. We're going to be talking a little bit about cabbage. Cabbage comes in a few different forms, red, green, and bok choy, which is actually what we talked about in our B vegetable. This is cabbage. I've cut it in half. It looks like a very dense head of iceberg lettuce. Cabbage is a great source of vitamin C, K, it has fiber, potassium, copper, iron. It's a great source of calcium, magnesium, and it also has potassium, which are all really big contributors to our bone health. Cabbage also provides powerful antioxidant qualities. This allows it to scavenge through our bodies and get rid of and lower our free radicals. Free radicals are really major contributors to cancer and heart disease. There's been links found there. So incorporating cabbage into your diet is a great way to really boost your vitamins and minerals to help out bone health and really lower those free radicals in our bodies. An easy way to make cabbage is to roast it at 450 degrees. This is a great example. I just cut it in half and then slice it about inch thick. I put it a little bit of olive oil, salt and pepper, fresh minced garlic, throw it under in the oven at 450 for about 7 minutes until the top gets crispy. Then I sprinkled some bacon on top. Really simple, quick way to get cabbage in. Most commonly, we only eat cabbage on St. Patrick's Day. So the reason how that started was March 17th. Back in Ireland, they used to celebrate St. Patrick with lamb and pork and some higher cost meats. But when the immigrants came here to America, they couldn't afford those. The cheapest meat they could get was beef, and it was beef brisket. And so we started incorporating that to celebrate St. Patrick. And also cabbage was cheap, so they put the two together so they could still have a celebration that day. So don't only think of it on St. Patrick's Day, but try to incorporate it in your diet all other days. And remember, every day is a great day to make a victory. Have a great day.